Do you like Sour Patch Kids? How about putting some on your lips? All it takes is a few simple ingredients, and you can make them 2 different ways. Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today we're going to be doing another lip gloss DIY. This time it is going to be another Sour Patch Kids lip gloss, but instead of using citric acid, we're going to be using Koolaid. So let's get started, shall we? So what do we need to make our Sour Patch Kids lip gloss? 1 packet of Koolaid, and I'm going to be using grape. And you can also use some essential oils to go with this, but I'm going to be just using the Koolaid. 1 capsule of vitamin E oil and 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. A dropper to put it into the tubes, a bowl to mix it in, and a spoon to stir it with. Now the last time I made Sour Patch Kids lip gloss using aloe vera gel, it kind of broke down because of the citric acid. Now Koolaid does have citric acid in it, but I don't think it has as much. I don't know. It may break down, and I may have to go ahead and make one with Vaseline. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and dump the Koolaid in the bowl. Now the last time I put the aloe vera gel in first, I don't know if that'll make any difference or not, but anything's worth a shot. And I have 1 vitamin E capsule. Go ahead and cut off the top and squeeze it out. Now you can also add some colorant to this, but if this actually turns a purple color, I won't add any. I know when you add water, a lot of times it won't be colored. And the 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. And I can really smell the grape Koolaid. And I'm going to stir it just until it looks kind of black. And it's already breaking down. It's all liquidy. So again, I think it's the citric acid that is breaking it down. So we'll go ahead and make this one a liquid lip gloss and then give it a try. That's all there is to it. I don't think if I added any colorant to it, it would change color because it's so dark. So I'll go ahead and put it in a liquid lip gloss container and be right back. See if I can go ahead and pour this without having it go all over the place. Got my little funnel here. And we'll go ahead and add our roller ball. And our lid. And we'll go ahead and test it out in just a little bit. Alright, so it made 3 liquid lip glosses. I'm going to say this is more of a lip stain than a lip gloss. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Go ahead and rub it on my hand here. And it's a little purplish. Not too bad. I don't know if that'll wash off or not. I'll try that in a minute. It definitely smells like grape. That is definitely sour. In that respect, these are a success. If you want a lip stain or liquid lip gloss, this would be perfect. If you wanted a regular consistency lip gloss, you wouldn't want to use aloe vera. Now you could probably use other ingredients like beeswax and coconut oil and that type of stuff to make it a thicker consistency. I was just going off of my regular aloe vera lip gloss recipe. So let's go ahead and get started on the Vaseline one. Alright, so I wanted to show you that it did wash off real easily. I don't know, and it did off of my lips as well, but I don't know if you wore this all day how well it would come off. I guess you'd want to try it at your own risk. So the next Sour Patch Kids lip gloss with the Kool-Aid is going to be with 2 tablespoons of petroleum jelly or Vaseline and a packet of Kool-Aid, and this is blue raspberry lemonade. And again, you can add more flavoring with using essential oils, like with a lemon or a raspberry, something like that if you want to, but I'm not going to. I'm thinking the Kool-Aid, especially with trying the grape one, will be enough flavor. And again, you may want to use colorant to go with it, but like the lip stain one, it is enough color by itself. So you want to take 2 tablespoons of Vaseline, and I think you can either do the Vaseline first or the Kool-Aid first. It doesn't seem to make much difference. And then we'll dump the 1 packet of blue raspberry lemonade and start mixing it thoroughly. And some people go ahead and take the Vaseline and melt it in the microwave first, but I want the consistency and I don't want it to get runny like the aloe vera did, so I'm going to head and just stir it. Now this one doesn't look like it's going to have any coloring at all to it, so I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of coloring. I usually have a little scooper, but I forgot to grab it. And I know it's kind of funny to have a pinkish color lip gloss when it's blue raspberry, but I didn't have any blue colorant handy. I'm going to add a little bit more. It's not pink enough for me. And as always, anytime that you use materials that will be going on your lips, make sure everything is sanitized and that, if possible, wear the gloves. This is just for demonstration purposes. Everything is sanitized, but I don't have any gloves. All right, so there it is. It's kind of a pale pink. And we'll go ahead and put it in one of these little lip gloss tubes. And I'm going to probably use my syringe for that. It is kind of thick. And it's messy. So I'll go ahead and finish filling this up and be right back. And you want to make sure that you kind of bang it on the table to get it to move down. I did get a little bit of blue from the blue raspberry Kool-Aid there, even though nothing else turned blue. Then you want to go ahead and put your little lip piece on, like so, and put your lid on. Alright, so the one with the Vaseline made 2 tubes full. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Go ahead and put it on my hand. It's a nice pink flavor, little grainy from the Kool-Aid. Let's give it a taste. Oh wow, I really like that. It is super sour, but it is so much better than the other one. I was afraid it was going to have a Vaseline taste to it, but it didn't. I highly recommend you make it this way. Very simple and easy. Now, I am going to try some of my more involved lip gloss recipes that with the citric acid and with the Kool-Aid, just to see how they turn out down the line. I just needed to get a quick video out today, so that's why I chose the really easy lip glosses today. Man, it's still tasting sour with that one. I love it. Definitely I'm going to make that again. So here are the 2 recipes. The lip stain, liquid lip gloss, whatever you want to call it, which is great. Has a sour flavor. Was not a lip gloss like I wanted it to be, but it did turn out okay. And it doesn't seem to stain your hands or your lips, at least if you wash it off right away. This one was made with the Vaseline, and it turned out wonderful. It was very, very sour. I absolutely loved it. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notices of my future video. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.